Right, I have everybody today. I'm not going to change this. I'm going to work over this one. so, so today is you're going to start by opening your bag on your lap or table, and this is for your wheelchair, okay? So this is the non, you're not going to hold this one, so you're not going to find it. So it's going to be for your phone and a charger. I always keep that one. Then people have talked about power GAMs, uh, banks, but I don't have one of those. But I use a charger for my phone, so that is important. Then there's a wallet, so that's important. ID and insurance card, so that'll be important to keep in the wallet, in the wallet. So keys. Oh yes, keys. Yes, yes, yes. So that will be available. I have my 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 phone. So that's there already. And then I have well, you have the feet. The keys are so full of stuff. And my thing is that if I drop it, then it's I have enough uh, spot a spot to pick somebody for me to pick it up. so so that helps me. So it could be you could have a yard or a clip, so that way. But I know that if I drop it, then I need that helps me. Um, these aren't extras. These are not extras, okay? These are important. They're access. They're not accessible. They are accessible a ton. Wheelchair specific essentials. So we're going to take a look at this. So we're looking at your table, or you're looking at your bad, your back. So let's look at your bag, and this is where we're gonna put in here. So pick up, pick what applies for you. I have some ideas, but it might not different for you. Um, Gloves. So I have these. These are from my manual wheelchair. I still those coming. So I still have those from way back a day. So I have those, or I have these that are for warm that I need when it gets too cold. So I have those. So those are sitting around waiting for me. Then a small repair tool. So right now I use the Longley. I have the what's it called? The Allen key. So I have those. Tire pump, and I don't have one of those because I use the older one. So I don't use a tire pump. I don't have one. It's just a regular tire. Then I have a seat cushion covers. They talk about that, but I never do use one of those. Mine just work. Transfer aid or strap. So sometimes they talk about that, but I've never used that one. I've learned that hard way what happens when I don't bring this XYZ. So think about that. What you don't bring something that's important. So think about that. All right, we're going to look at the next one. This is an important uh, group of things. Lip balm. So I have one of those. And then wipe or tissues. So I have some tissues. I have another box that I use that. Pain relief. So pain, yes, I have my box that I use for medication. So I have that ready to go if I need that. And then there's topical or for pain for patch. So you might want to use that. Snacks or protein bar. So sometimes I use that for medical when I gotta get going. So I always have that ready when I'm by myself and waiting for the van. So I have one of those. Water bottle. So water bottles are important. So I have a small one that I use, a water bottle. So you might want to think of that one. So comfort is a part of accessibility. So think of that. What's going to work for you when you're going around? Here's another group. That's safety, and you know that I'm going to look for something for safety. Extra medications, so of course. Or magic, emergency contact information. Yes, I always have that with me. Mask, I don't have a mask, but maybe somebody else because I need for helping them breathe better. Then there's their weather. Then you need weather. So backup. So you need a strong, warm poncho, gloves, or sun protection. I don't know. That could happen. Then we're going to look at I don't bring these because I'm anxious, or I bring them because I'm prepared. So you might be ready already. So let's look at the next little two things that we might want to. One personal item. Which one is yours? Your one personal item, and this is all wheelchair needs. A photo, charm, affirmation, blah, blah. I don't know what it means, that, but it's a card of something. Something that helps emotional or on card days. So you might want to have a card that thinks about you to bring you to be strong and what you're doing here, going there. So think about, emotional card of some kind. They might help you. And I do once I have a card, and it's in here really quick. So I have those sometimes that I see it. This remembers me, maybe. I'm more than my wheelchair. So sometimes you might want to think about your card. All right, folks. I'm hoping that these bags had a good idea for your wheelchairs when you're going out or going there or going somewhere or nowhere, or you just need your wheelchair near to you. Your bag doesn't have to look like mine. So our bags could be very different for due to different ways. So thinks of your bag, what do you need for yours? It just has to support your life. Okay. I do have some some really needs that I need. So thank you so much for coming. My name is Lisa, and this is the World Wheelchair Warrior. So come join us, and we'll see you in a whole bunch of uh, little wheelchair ideas. All right, take care, and thank you for your like.